my gosh, you guys, this room looks just like the hotel room that I stayed last time. Because look, oh my god, it's like the exact similar as how I imagined it last time. Like, it's like deja vu. I'm back here all over again. But the only difference is laundry's still here, right? Yeah. The difference is, you see the bedroom here? Remember it had like a nice, you know, like you can see yourself in the bathtub. I mean, you can see your bed from the bathtub. That was very nice. But that's, you know, probably moist. Yeah, it's nice lighting. Shower. See the shower. Easy to get in. Okay. Ooh, that's a big ass shampoo. Whoa. That's nice. Nice that has their own door for toilet. I'm gonna close that. I gotta hurry and get ready because I walked here from the freaking I was like, you know, I could do this with like carrying a bunch of grocery, like 2 grocery bags filled with water and jam and oh my god, I was like, can I really do this? I was like kind of crying, getting frustrated, but you know, I did it, you guys. I made it. I'm so proud of myself. It's like further away from where my dad and my stepmom stayed at, which they stayed at the Springs, and I'm staying at this, something that was C. Concord? Was it? Apparently it's supposed to be really close to the the Saratoga Springs. I mean, not Saratoga, it's the Springs. It's close to Springs, like 4 minutes walk. Well, 4 minute walk for me is 8 minutes, so I have to get washing because I am freaking sweating like crazy. Okay, let's do this. It seems like I have to ride the boat to get to the... I wonder how long their service is for. But it's really close to my door. Looks like a line. Apparently this is just a bridge to go to Disney Springs. That's convenient. I don't have to take the boat. The boat just goes to a different hotel. Okay, that's cool. Gotta pass through this security check. It's not that bad. You didn't really check your bag. Just go through the metal detector. Oh, so pretty. Wow, I'm so glad it's so close to it. I didn't even have to take the freaking cab. Oh, so cute parasol. Aww. Now I get to really explore. Last time when I came here, it was kind of hard because there's some places that my dad didn't like, so yeah. Can we check out this store? Let's do it. Oh, I only bought 1 bag. I didn't bring a suitcase. Too much work. Oh my gosh, these are really cute. Wow. So this is where I'm gonna eat. And it seems like there's a lot of stroller here. I think they can't bring stroller in here. I wonder why, we'll see. But my reservation is on 30-minute walk. Is there lava there? Oh my goodness. Okay, that's pretty big. Wow, wow, even a waterfall. A lot of action is going on here. This is what Rainforest Cafe should look like. This will be a good gift back home. Shortbread brown. Whoa, that looks real. And I just heard someone say that Rainforest Cafe is 2-hour wait. Good thing I got my reservation. Rainforest Cafe. The inside looks like, I don't know. Doesn't look very special as I thought it was gonna be. Maybe good beef and beef was better. We'll see. What? They have a show here. That's so cool. It's like the Mirage. Wow. It's a very hassle just to get into the restaurant. Since my table is ready, but I'm in this line, like as if I'm riding a ride. It takes forever. I missed this. Because Southside Mall has Rainforest Cafe. And I'm gonna get two different things. Primal steak and pastalaya. I remember I like the pastalaya here. It's kind of heavy, but I want to try two different things. Yeah, it's a lot of food, but I'm really hungry. I can't wait to eat. I'm hungry as hell. I was confused because there was two different lines. One looked like it was free to go, and the other one had like a. And I heard that one of the lines is first come, first serve. And the guy wasn't being descriptive, like where the line should be. It was very annoying. Oh, I like the table. So pretty. I'll show you. Aww, it's a killer whale. Somebody dropped the food. Oh god. All the foods are gone to waste. Oh no. Now she has to wait for her food again. Sucks. So far.
Don't worry. Hopefully somebody will come over. Take care of this one. You jumped out, my guy? I didn't.
Oh my god, it's raining! I didn't even bring my umbrella. Just great. Oh my gosh, just when I thought I could just get in line and thought it was short, but it's long. My goodness. It's okay. So many people in this room. Disney store. Packed. They have a knit sweater and it's super comfy, like soft. 85 bucks though. Wow, pretty green color. What a romantic stroll. Yeah, I guess I went in circles pretty much. Oh my god, I had to go to the bathroom really bad. And I was at Uniqlo. Oh my goodness, that was dangerous. I was about to shit in my pants. Anyways, back to my hotel. It doesn't look like it, but... Oh wait, I do have to move this. Dun, dun, dun. Ow! Wait, really? I have to move this? Okay. I do have to move this. There. Oh, so nice. Such nice. I love it. So I could just enjoy this bed as well, not the other bed. It's nice. This could definitely sit with like four people, couple here, a couple in the other room. Yeah. I'm trying to wash my clothes. Thank goodness for laundry.
What?
Okay. Mina, drink it. Drink the food. Yeah. Mina, it's Grandma. grandma's here. 어디 도망가? grandma. 왜 그래? 할머니야, 할머니. Didn't you miss grandma? Go hug grandma, midnight. 아, 그 가방도 가져왔구나. Get used to the filming thing.
수요일은 안 돼요, 화요일이에요. 엄마, 수요일 생일. 레몬인 거 알지?
Okay. Oh, snap.
Wow. Something I need to look out with this camera is that because there's a switch on and off, I might forget to turn off my camera. Might have to wear my white sneakers. I was hoping to take the white sneakers to the plane into the bag here, you know? Yeah, I was thinking about checking in the bag, but yeah. My wife is so slow. So laggy? Yeah, thank you for watching my vlog, you guys. I'm done packing and edit vlog and stuff like that, so thanks for good. Bye!
I thought the phone was at 4 o'clock, but I made it here at 4:10. Hi. Minnie, 그 뭐야? Balloon. Yeah. You were just watching it today.
Did you guys?
Yeah, thank you. You gonna get on the boat? Wow, he looks like a complete different boy. Don't hit. Oh, yeah. Super big. This is the 2 backpack that we brought with us to the Belgian Square Mall. So hungry. I was gonna save the juice for later, but oh, she does. Twilight, stop! You're hurting me.
What is it? Oh.
Yeah? What's this?
Reach out here and itch. Skimma-dinka-dinka-doo, skimma-dinka-doo, I love you.
So far. 귀여워 귀여워 맨날 너무 귀여워 귀여워